You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? City name pronunciation in California. In Spanish, it's a Spanish name. Originally it's said as Ojai, Ojai. Now in English, the H sound from Spanish is replaced with an H sound from English, so it sounds like Ojai, Ojai, California. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.